Ever feel like your stuff is staging a takeover? Yeah, me too. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Welcome to the Koalamama, where I turn chaos into calm with clever organizing tricks, space-saving hacks, and genius solutions for all of your too much stuff and too little space problems. I'm a born organizer, and for over 50 years, I've been perfecting the art of living maximally in a minimally sized space. Whether you're drowning in clothes, buried in books, or just trying to make the most of your space, I'll show you how to fit more, find more, and stress less. So if you love big style in small spaces, hit that subscribe button and let's organize your world one quality hack at a time.